Manisha Gadge from NIFT Navi Mumbai. I'm just going to excuse myself for a second.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you everyone. Their mind as well.
Now they should be asking questions.
Yeah. Anybody?
Yeah.
Would like to ask a question? You could raise your hand.
There's something there and something there is there.
Right at the back there. Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Myself, Sanskriti Bamne.
So I can see you.
Right here. Yeah.
I just wanted to ask, how do you handle stress, pressure, and the downfall which we get, and new trends which are upcoming?
There are 5 questions. You have just one question. So how do I first stress? I love food. As you can see, I absolutely love food, and food is my go-to thing. In fact, my assistants, when they're showing me something that is new, they say, "Have you had lunch?" So food is my go-to thing. Music, movies. Whenever I'm feeling stressed, even if I don't have time to watch movies, I kind of listen to music or watch music. And downfall would be a collection that has not worked or garments that have gone wrong. Of course, you get upset about it and you're sometimes angry about it. But the next morning when you wake up, it's a new day, and you have to look at it as a new day.
Yes.
That's happened. What's next? I think moving on constantly is the most important thing.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sanskriti, right? Mrs. Pallavi Pai from NIB Thane. Yes, please go for it. Mrs. Pallavi Pai from NIB Thane. Bhatia, NIFT Borivali.
तो मनीष जी हर बार की तरह ये सेशन काफ़ी नॉलेजफुल भी रहा। कैसे देखते हैं आप इस पूरे सेशन को?
मैं एक्चुअली बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ टू NIFT ग्लोबल एंड टू LST कि यू नो दे वी पीरियडिकली आफ्टर एवरी 3 months वी हैव दिस बिग सेशन विद स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर। जैसे आपने देखा कि स्टूडेंट्स बहुत अलग अलग जगहों से आए थे, उनके अलग अलग सेंटर्स से आए थे। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज आई एम काइंड ऑफ इंटरेक्टिंग विद देम। एंड आजकल के स्टूडेंट्स में बहुत डाउट होता है यू नो कि ये जो हम कर रहे हैं वो इज़ इट राइट और रिकग्निशन नहीं है, और मे बी पेरेंटल एक ये है कि डोंट बी अ डिज़ाइनर और डोंट गो इनटू द फील्ड ऑफ फैशन और एंटरटेनमेंट और आर्टिस्ट्री। सो आई थिंक मी यू नो एक्सचेंजिंग माई व्यूज़ एंड उनको एक सहारा देना कि नहीं करिए, यू नो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, कोर्स भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और आप अपने ड्रीम्स को प्लीज़ फुलफिल करिए, बट वर्क हार्ड, कीप be patient, give it time, because nowadays there is an instant gratification, right? एक validation है, आपने कुछ बनाया, आपने उसे social media पे डाला, पूरी दुनिया उसे देख सकती है। But we come from a time where we had to work hard for years for people to notice our work. So जब वो ये सब सुनेंगे और when we interact with them, I think it kind of encourages them to go and dream, you know, fulfill that dream. And for me, I really look forward to meeting up with young students and young minds. And in these kind of interactive sessions, and today there were more than 100 students, अगर ये थोड़ा सा भी उनके फ़र्क पड़ता है उनकी ज़िंदगी को and they get inspired, तो मुझे लगता है कि it's been worth it, you know. So I think मेरे लिए ऐसे sessions बहुत important और बहुत मायने रखते हैं।
The kind of the questions we have seen कि बहुत लोग खुलकर बात कर रहे हैं, they asking about कि कभी कुछ ऐसा you know कोई आपके प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं
अभी
हुआ तो
बैकस्टेज हम यही डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि आई एम सीइंग दैट द स्टूडेंट्स आर चेंजिंग। I have been with LST for some time now and with NIFT, and I'm seeing the students are changes. They're more open, जैसे आपने कहा, they're more open. They're asking their questions. They're speaking their mind out, and I think that's excellent. I think that's excellent, and we should encourage them to speak their mind out, to ask what they want to ask freely, and I think that's a very very good sign, and that is the reason that people like us are you know helping them in their education and in their discussing our experiences. So I think बहुत अच्छी बात है कि students today are very open and they're asking what they want to ask.
I have also seen, sir, we have seen the kind of a movie, a fan in you, and there is lots of question students ask about your personal likes and personal inspiration. What about it?
Well, for me, films has been a huge influence. I think बचपन से मुझे बहुत शौक रहा है films का, and I've watched them very wide-eyedly, being very inspired by them, and I think that is the reason I got into costume design and styling in 1990, because I was very determined that no, we must change the way our movies look, the way heroines look. There should be styling, there should be a look. So that vision and that hard work that I put in, कि नहीं एक दिन होगा where people will understand what I'm saying. And today it's been what 34 years, and because I was one of the first designers to do so and look at potential in movies and work really hard to you know get introduced styling, and whether it's been fashion shows, whether it's been the term showstopper, there are many things that I introduced and now have become trends, and I feel very happy about that because मैंने इस पे बहुत मेहनत की है, and I'm very happy that people respect cinema and they love cinema and they look at cinema also as a medium of fashion. And of course there's another mainstream business today of bridal clothes and day-to-day wear or fun stuff. So there's a lot of different kind of verticals today in fashion, and there is so much to do, and I'm excited about that.
The second part of this question, you have got mentioned like movie like Shatranj Ke Khiladi and sometimes Mughal Azam.
For me, they were very inspiring films. मुझे मुगले when I saw them a little later in my life, and when I saw them, these great filmmakers from you know Mughal Azam and Shatranj Ke Khiladi by Satyajit, Mughal Azam by K. Asif, and so many wonderful films and great directors like V. Shantaram ji and Raj Kapoor Saab, Guru Dutt. So many of them have done such incredible work, and artists like Dilip Kumar Saab and you know Nargis ji and or Meena Kumari. Pakiza is one of my most favorite films. I think because I saw a lot of passion of filmmakers in those movies, and those set design and costume and the dialogues and the way those films are being shot. You know, it's a very big influence in my life. Yash Chopra's films, I love Yash Chopra as a director, and the kind of films that he made, the lifestyle he showed, the characters that he showed, their clothes, their speaking. it has been a very big influence on me.
मान लीजिए वेडिंग मार्केट बहुत बड़ा खुला है, तो उसको आप किस तरह से देखते हैं? जो बडिंग इंस्पिरेशनल डिजाइनर्स हैं उनको क्या आप टिप देना चाहेंगे, स्पेशली वेडिंग्स के लिए?
खुद मैंने फिल्मों से अपना करियर शुरू किया और फिर मैंने एक दिन लेबल लॉन्च किया ये सोच के मैं सिर्फ साड़ियाँ बनाऊंगा, बट आई गॉट इनटू वेडिंग वेयर. वेडिंग वेयर इज़ अ वेरी बिग एस्पेक्ट ऑफ डिज़ाइन इन इंडिया, एंड विद टाइम फॉर फिल्म फॉर पीपल एक मौका जो है शादियों का जहाँ सब तैयार होते हैं, दे families come together, तो it's a very good time of celebration, and I'm very happy कि हमारे हमने बहुत मेहनत की उस पर, and today we are a part of many weddings and a part of their celebrations, and I think bridal wear is a very important aspect of Indian fashion.
सर एक शो को, फैशन वीक को या हर चीज़ को लेकर लोग काफ़ी लोगों के मन में अलग अलग चीज़ें चलती, तो खास करके स्टूडेंट्स को इन सारी चीज़ों से निपटने के लिए आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
आई थिंक कंपटीशन अभी हर जगह है, लोग बहुत बढ़ गए हैं, एजुकेशन है, एक अवेयरनेस है, तो उसमें और ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है टू स्टैंड आउट. आप ये भी देखिए कि पहले कम लोग थे पर हमको बहुत साल मेहनत करनी पड़ी थी टू गेट नोटिस्ड, मगर अभी एक बहुत बड़ा एक एसेट है, टेक्नोलॉजी है, सोशल मीडिया है, मीडिया है. सो उसका एक ये होता है कि बहुत जल्दी रिकग्निशन मिल जाती है, मगर फिर आपको ये मेहनत करनी है कि आप रेलेवेंट रहें, कि आपका एक जो दौर है लंबा रहे, एंड कॉन्स्टेंटली आप हार्ड वर्क करते रहें, कॉन्स्टेंटली कुछ नया सोचें. बट मेहनत तो है, मेहनत यू कांट एस्केप फ्रॉम एनीथिंग दैट यू डू.
थैंक यू.